Nĩ rwĩmbo rukoretwo rukiinwo kaingĩ thutha wa gĩkuũ kĩa ũrĩa warĩ Prime Minister Raila Odinga, na ona hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kĩririkano kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nyayo, President William Ruto atongoretie mũingĩ kũrũina na kũrũtaũra kũringana na mahinda marĩa tũrĩ.
He often broke into a dance and with a big smile sang, "Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on the mountaintop.
Down the way where the lights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountaintop.
Today, those words ring with profound meaning, significance and impact. Our elder statesman, the Honorable Raila, is sailing on a ship, not to Jamaica, but to home beyond. He will not be back with us for many a day. He leaves behind many little girls and boys, not in Kingstown, but here in Nairobi, in Kisumu, in Mandera, in Vihiga, in Mombasa, in Kakamega, in Wajir, and in every village and valley across our land.
President agĩtarĩria atĩ aratongoria bũrũri gũcakaya to mũtongoria tu, ĩndĩ nĩ mũndũ manatwara na ikinya gwa ikinya makĩhũra ũteti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
I have come a very long way with Baba. When I stood by him with the other Pentagon members at a defining moment in his and our nation's history, I neither knew that one day we would find ourselves on opposite sides, nor could I have imagined that years later he would stand by me, this time to steady the nation and to help anchor my leadership, culminating in the birth of the broad-based government. To you, Baba, I owe you, and I am truly and eternally grateful that our paths crossed and that we shared this journey together.
Rĩrĩa rĩothe manarutithania wĩra, President arauga kĩrĩa kĩamanyitithanagia na Odinga nĩ wendi wao wa kuona bũrũri mũgacĩru.
We have been both collaborators and competitors, friends and rivals, but always patriotic Kenyans, united by a dream greater than ourselves, a dream bigger than any partisan divide, a dream of a united motherland called Kenya. Atarĩria atĩ Odinga arĩ na gĩcunjĩ kĩnene history-inĩ ya Kenya, na nĩ tũgũikaranga tũngĩgakorwo na mũtongoria ũngĩ ũrĩ na ũcamba na ngorota ya njamba ĩno ya bũrũri. Whenever the nation needed him to rise above self, he always did unreservedly. Whenever Kenya needed reason, he became the voice of reason courageously. And whenever the country needed a hand of reconciliation, he offered it without hesitation. President augĩte nama Raila Odinga nĩ arahutĩtie andũ aingĩ arĩa anacemania nao ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe, na ona arĩa matanakorwo magĩa na mweke wa kwaranĩria nake, marũri ma nginyo ciake megũtũra mamatongoretie. In Tinga, Kenya found a reformer, a moral compass, a reconciler. He proved that progress demands both courage and patience, that we must be stubborn on the vision, but agile on the details, adjusting our means, our plans, and our strategies, but never compromising our mission. The gentleman we are bidding farewell today gave more to this country than most will ever. He endured years of imprisonment, exile, and political struggle for not the privilege of power, but for the principle of service. Kũrĩ family amomĩrĩirie na kũmacokeria ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa kũgayana mwana mũthuri na ithe wao na bũrũri, tondũ wĩra ũrĩa arutĩire bũrũri ti aingĩ mangĩhota kũũruta meheanĩte igana kwa igana. Kenya stands with you in this moment of sorrow. We share in your inexpressible grief, but we also share in your pride for your husband, your father, your brother, and your kin who belonged not only to you, but also to us. Thank you for sharing him so generously with us as families and as a nation.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.